everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Jura E8 here. So this machine came in with an error 8 code, which just indicates that there's a problem with the brew unit. So I gave the machine a tune-up to remove all of the excess coffee buildup that was preventing the brew unit from moving properly. I removed the brew unit from the machine, disassembled it, deep cleaned and lubricated the unit, replaced the gasket here, it's the old one, oops, sorry about that, and cleaned the screen, and then I put the brew unit back inside and descaled the machine, cleaned the coffee system. I took apart this milk frother here, soaked it in milk cleaner, and then ran the milk cleaning cycle. And now I'm just going to show you that the machine is working. There's no longer that error 8 code. The brew unit is able to move around freely now. So let's pull a shot of espresso.
For some reason, it's not dripping. It's never been like this.
Alright, there's our shot of espresso. That's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.